For a long time, it was thought that critically ill patients should only rest and not be active during recovery. We've since learned that the sooner a patient can get moving, the better the outcome can be. Community Regional Medical Center is currently part of the first study on the West Coast working with a device that helps stimulate muscles even when a patient is not able to do it themselves. It's known as functional electrical stimulation. Central Valley patients are now using it to improve mobility with hopes of fewer complications following an ICU stay.
Along with Western University in Pomona, California, we are embarking on conducting a clinical study that's going to involve in-bed cycling with electrical stim to enhance the cycling performance of the patient, and particularly for the patients who are more sedated. And so they can start physical activity and exercise much earlier in the process than we can ordinarily provide presently. If they cannot generate the power to pedal the bicycle in bed, there's a motor that drives it, and there's the electrical stim will stimulate the muscles in a sequence that mimics a cycling pattern. And so they can begin, again, very early on, much sooner than what we could provide presently. The electrical stim stimulates 6 muscles in each leg, 12 total, in a sequence that simulates a cycling pattern. So as they're laying in bed on their back, hooked up to all the lines and tubes, they're also hooked up to this cycling machine and being stimulated. So they can pedal a bicycle while they're in bed, and there's a visual screen. They can see their performance on the screen. It'll augment what they cannot provide. And then as the patient becomes more alert, less sedated, they can actually start participating and working with the machine and power it. And again, it'll provide, the electrical stim will enhance their performance and participation. So there are other studies that have been conducted. They're smaller in size and that have looked at safety and feasibility of this, using this tool. And so it has been established that it is safe, albeit it is emerging research. It is something that is used in our profession and in the industry. Long term, I'm hoping that we can help patients get out of the ICU sooner and stronger and more capably. We're looking beyond what's customary and ordinary and looking for something that's exceptional. And I think this is truly something, again, this is exceptional, it's unique, and again, my hope is that the long term will find significant benefits to the patients.